Joe. So what films or work has inspired you the most?
In terms of cinema, I saw a lot of movies on Italian television, a lot of things that weren't available in the States. So, you know, maybe as a teenager, I'm seeing Fantozzi and I'm seeing Totò and obviously Sordi and people like that. You know, Sophia, whenever she was on television in my house, you could hear a pin drop. But it may be cliche, and it's been done to death. But for me, as a director, as what I would like to think is an auteur in my work, really 8.5. And the reason is because it really opened my eyes to what a motion picture could be. Totally not a formula. Someone who's dealing with clearly issues and inner demons that are, I think, Mal-specific in terms of his relationship to women, his relationship to his church. That monologue at the end where he's essentially, it's a confession to his wife that he basically wishes he could look into her faithful eyes and be the man and the husband that she deserves and he wants to be. And done in such sort of a free stream of consciousness that you're not going to find in a Sid Field manual or a Robert McKee seminar. And I think that, unfortunately, in my opinion, Fellini sort of, as his work progressed, I kind of feel that Fellini, the man, was losing the battle, so to speak, and maybe just accepted who he was. And but for those reasons, a cinema that is that personal, that can also be that cinematic and that purely cinematic and exciting, specific to culture, specific to an author, really influenced me and the way I looked at my own work.
Well, I just want to say I was waiting with bated breath to see what film Joe was going to pick.
Oh, it was tough. It was tough to narrow it.